Hey everyone, let's see what I have today for everyone. Types of retail metrics. This topic I have started from last few days, and yes, you know also that I'll be coming with the new add-on things to this particular topic. So, what is retail metrics and all the thing? It has been explained in my older video, so you can go to the that part. And this is a kind of a course I'm running that, correct? So today is the third chapter for this course. Two chapter I have uploaded on my channel, so you can see that. So let's move ahead. So what is a retail metrics? Is your business performance command center, correct? It brings sales, inventory, and profit data into one clear view, helping you understand what's working best, and so on. You can read. There are a lot of definition available for the retail metrics, but we have we got a kind of example also where you can understand metrics in detail. So this is a student who got this many exams, subject, and each subject he should get a passing mark, and then only he will declare as a pass. The same is a retail metrics also. Store also has a different kind of variable that each variable store should get pass. Suppose your store is doing very good sale. It doesn't make sense that your store is performing. Always remember this. The same way, if the student is very good in English subject, and he is getting 90% mark, but he is very poor in computer and general knowledge, then he will get fail. So similar way, if your store is doing very good sale and you have very good stock, apart from that your employees are not good, your location is not good, your operational activities are not good, so you are not doing a good retail sale. So what are the matrices I have covered and what's going to be? So total 10 different groups are there. The first and second one I have completed. No, first one I have completed. So second one is today, where we'll understand sales conversion and transaction efficiency. तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने रिटेल मैट्रिक्स को लेके बहुत सारी बातों पे अपने विचार को रख लिया है और आपको भी थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आ रहा होगा कि ये रिटेल मैट्रिक्स इतना इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है, करेक्ट? मैंने आपको एक स्टूडेंट का एग्जांपल भी दे के समझाया कि एक स्टूडेंट अगर इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छा करता है और जीके और कंप्यूटर में उसका नंबर कम है तो वो फेल हो जाएगा। उसी तरह एक रिटेल स्टोर का अगर सेल बहुत अच्छा है, स्टॉक बहुत अच्छा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो स्टोर वास्तव में परफॉर्म कर रहा है। हो सकता है एम्प्लॉय अच्छे ना हो सकता है एरिया इज डिफरेंट, करेक्ट? सो बहुत सारी चीजें वहां पे हो सकती है। सो keep different things and lot of variable in our mind. We came with the retail metrics, you know understanding, and different things will get under this topic. So this is my third video and it's a master class kind of thing. So whenever you are free, you just watch this video and you will understand what's going to be correct, and whether it's related to your store business or not. Trust me, whether you have a small store or big store or one of the biggest retail chain in the world, you have to follow this matrices, nothing else. So first one is a conversion rate, the percentage of the showroom visitor who makes a purchase. Very simple. एक स्टोर में कितने बंदे आए और उन्होंने कितना बिलिंग किया, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कन्वर्जन रेट. एवरेज ट्रांजेक्शन वैल्यू, द एवरेज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी स्पेंट पर इनवाइस. सो व्हाट इज योर बकेट साइज? मतलब एक बंदा आया, उसने 5,000 रुपए का टोटल परचेजिंग की, तो टिकट साइज हो गया 5,000 रुपीज. So you have to decide what should be the ticket size, what should be the bucket size, what should be the ATV for your store, correct? Then item per basket. So it's like a UPT, units per transaction. The average number of individual products purchased per checkout. Now I'll tell you one thing. I went to any departmental store and I purchased for the 5,000 rupees. Total purchasing was 5,000 rupees and I took 10 different materials. So it's a 10 different units, correct? So it's mean each transaction I got a 10 units. So means I am buying more. But remember, same way your average ticket price also for that will go down, correct? So this also we have to take care of. Now, please understand in a different way. Suppose you have a jewelry showroom, correct? In jewelry showroom, what happen? You will look for the maximum sale. Suppose one person came and he or she took the Maharani Har for around 9 to 12 lakhs, correct? In Indian rupees. And he said, no, I'll buy a nose pin also. So nose pin is a not very expensive, I think. Hardly it's available for the 20,000 or 30,000 rupees. Then your ATV will go down. Your average value per transaction will go down, correct? Will be not high for that transaction, correct? Just because of adding 20,000 rupees, one more unit in that bill, your ATV got down, correct? Now, let's understand also one more thing. See, the moment you will increase the number of unit in your bill, it shows that your sales officers are working. They are trying hard to get more sales. So in that way, it's very good. Always remember. Now, one more thing I'll tell you also. When your number of products are high, correct, and total sale value is equivalent to that, and the total sale value is not helping you, it means there is a problem. Let's understand one more example. You are running a store, correct, and your average ticket value is 3,000 rupees, correct? Any store, average ticket value is 3,000 rupees. Means on an average, each customer is doing a purchasing or buying for 3,000 rupees. But there was an offer going on, and suddenly there was a demand of low price ticket. Correct? They were not able to buy a more than 2,500 rupees product. They are buying 1,800, 1,700, 1,600. So what happened? Your number of unit will increase, but average ticket price will get decreased. So in that scenario, you have to talk to the sales officer and ask why you are not able to sell high price value product, because that is also your investment. You have to think, correct? Then gross sale, total top line revenue before deduction, return or allowances. So this again, if you are a very good in a understanding profit loss account, either PL appropriation and then balance sheet and all the thing, this thing you will understand, because sale is not the correct number where you can deduct or you can understand profit is happening or correct. Then net sales, total revenue remaining after processing, customer returns and discounts. So this is your net sale. Net sale is also not guarantee for net profit. Remember this. Sometime your net sale is high, correct? Net sale is good, but your operational cost is very high. So you will be losing business, you will be not in profit, correct? So always think about the net sale only. After all kind of deduction, what is my net sale for that particular bill? Nothing else. Now, the next point we are going to understand sales growth rate. The percentage increase or decrease in showroom revenue over a specific period, like month on month or year on year. So this is also a kind of matrix where you can understand whether your store is growing or not. Like to like, some stores is like sales growth, comparison tracking the exact same showroom floor across matching historical dates, excluding new store opening. So suppose you have a mini store. One store is 400 square feet and another one is store in a different location that is also 400 square feet. And same employee number, same stocks. So you can compare whether this store is performing or not. Correct? There are other factors also you can keep in this. Transaction volume, the absolute total number of individual receipts process. Nothing else. Very simple. Cash wrap idle time, the average duration POS terminal sits unused during operational hours. Suppose your store timing is 10:30 to till 10 o'clock night. So you have to check whether our POS is performing or not. How many hours POS is not in use? Nothing but your billing system, right? Then average checkout processing time, the speed at which cashier process a payment, complete bagging from start to finish. So this is also like a transaction time. How much time your cashier is taking to bill the things? Nothing is. It's a very simple way. तो देखिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिनको आपको समझना चाहिए, करेक्ट? तो आज तो मैं सिर्फ एक चैप्टर एक टॉपिक पे बात कर रहा हूँ, or after few days again I'll come with the new way of understanding related to matrix. Means we'll add more add on to retail matrix. तो याद रखिएगा ये सारे जितनी भी चीजें मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ दिस इज हैपेंस इन अ डिफरेंट वे और हो सकता है कि डिफरेंट प्रकार का वर्ड यूज किया जाए बट बेसिक्स आर दिस ओनली करेक्ट. So this is all about from my side about retail matrix, and this is a new chapter. So if you like my video, please share this with somebody else who can learn more. एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो आप प्लीज मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरों को भी शेयर करें. करें. याद रखिएगा रिटेल मैट्रिक्स एक बहुत बड़ा समुद्र है जिसको समझने के लिए बहुत चीजों को माइंड में रखना पड़ता है. हाँ, एक चीज और आप कर सकते हैं कि आप कोई ऐप या कोई सॉफ्टवेयर बना सकते हैं करेक्ट, जिसमें आप अपने स्टोर के अनुसार रिटेल मैट्रिक्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और ट्रांजैक्शन के अनुसार वो चीजों को आपको बताएगा. एज के अनुसार स्टोर का एज क्या है, एम्प्लॉय का एज क्या है, एम्प्लॉय कितना एजुकेटेड है, स्टॉक की लेवल क्या है, कब आया था स्टॉक करेक्ट, कितना सेल होता है करेक्ट, कितने रिटर्न होते हैं करेक्ट, है ना. तो बहुत सारी चीजें होती रिटेल मैट्रिक्स में जो आपको ऐड करना चाहिए और पता होना चाहिए. देखिए अगर आप किसी वेदर यू आर एरिया बिजनेस मैनेजर, सेल्स ऑफिसर और स्टोर मैनेजर, so you must know about the retail matrix in deep. Then only you can run your store in a different way. And see, one more thing I'll tell you, there are not lot of training available on retail management. Trust me. Yes, available, but not in a very deep mode, correct? Where you should know, from the scratch to the CO level, what's going to be and what are the things. So I'm planning to bring kind of a deep uh, understanding about the retail management and but it will take a time, not today or not in this month. It will take time and I'll come back with that and I'll see what better I can do. So till today this much only from my side. So thank you and I'll come back with the new episode, new video. Thank you.